Alright, well, we're continuing the video because I got a phone call. Sitting, waiting, go home. At least I get to stay warm. Yeah. Not happy. So I'm going to be posting these videos when I get home. Looks like I'll get to play some video games. Find out in the morning if I get to get a truck or not. Hopefully they'll fix one of these other guys' trucks and I can get me another truck. And I'll have them bring back one of the other trucks. So I can take a truck. I don't know what's wrong with their trucks. All of mine are broken. I can't use the winch line on this one. I can use the winch line on the other one. Can't drive the other one, but I can drive this one. Boss man goes, I don't know how you guys keep breaking the trucks. Boss man, I'm not doing it on purpose. Promise you that. My other one, transmission seal went out on the transmission pump. This one, they go, oh yeah, you're not supposed to slide the bed all the way back. How far was I supposed to slide the bed back then? You don't want to tell me, you give me the truck, says, oh, just go run the truck. You can drive with air brakes, right? Yeah. Well, go drive that truck. All you need to know is this, this, and this, and everything else is the same. So I ran it the same. But you don't know how I messed this one up. I was told everything else is the same, but these switches, let me show you. So, turn on this other lady here. Okay, you see these? Let me see if I can do this here. Okay, that's the radio. Trying to. Okay, I'm supposed to turn this switch on, which is my PTO. Now I'm supposed to hit this switch, which drops my airbags. Then I come over here, hit this switch, turns my RPMs up. That's all I was told. That's it. Everything else is the same. I'm gonna have to go get some fuel while I'm waiting for her to come back. This truck's running low on fuel. Freaking button don't even work. Should have got fuel on my way here. I was expecting to get my other truck to take it with me. Knew it was leaking transmission fluid. Boss man says, just watch the transmission fluid. Okay. Not a problem. Not a problem with me at all, boss man. I can do that. I'll leave that on there for now. I'll pull it off when I go to leave. Just then I get all the rest of my stuff out of this truck. So you want to drive truck? Come drive tow truck. You make money doing it. When you break down, you don't. Gonna get to take my shower tonight. That'd be nice. I'm supposed to be off tomorrow. I guess so. That's what I was told. Guess I get to be off tomorrow. Didn't get home until almost 5 o'clock this morning. Slept until probably about 10:30. Left again about noon. Had to go do more work. So yes, this time I'm gonna sleep. No truck. No truck. I need a truck. I love doing what I do. Wouldn't change it for the world. Wouldn't quit doing what I do. Not again. All I have to deal with is dispatch. I really don't deal with my boss. Besides when I break something. So it's not really that bad. I'm not in a warehouse like I was before. I used to be an assistant manager of a warehouse. I fired my manager 3 times. Each time I had to train my manager. Explain that to me. They wouldn't give me the position. You had to run the computers. You had to do everything in the warehouse. During the whole beginning of the pandemic, I was the only one in that warehouse, bringing in all the loads, putting everything into the computer system, getting everything ready for the guys that were still working out on the floor, coming in the mornings, pushing it out, building everything in the warehouse. Spent over $4,000 of my own money on tools to build stuff for their warehouse, and to go out to the field and do work for them. I didn't care. At least here, I know if I want a tool to make my job easier, I gotta pay for it. I know that. Like, I wanted an Impact. Impact. I knew I had to pay for it instead of using a 4-way. I knew that. I saved up the money. I went and bought it. But I knew I was going to have to buy it. That's the difference. I didn't have to go buy $4,000 worth of tools to come do this job. To go do a job, I shouldn't have to go buy $4,000 worth of tools to go out in the field. They told me, you go out in the field, we'll reimburse you for your tools. Kept all my receipts. They're in a folder, ready to take to them. Told them it's time for my raise. Told them 6 different times, it's time for my raise. Hey, it's time for my raise. Oh, come back, talk to me in a couple of weeks. We'll talk about it again. It's during the pandemic. Technically not an employee right now. You know, we'll take care of it later. After the pandemic, come back to them and says, hey, it's time for my pay raise again. You know, let's do my thing. It's just, obviously you guys like me, I'm still here. So can we do my thing so I can get my pay raise? Not in the budget. You just hired 3 new employees. My pay raise is not in the budget. Don't make any sense. My pay raise is not in your budget. The day I got tired of it, when they fired my last supervisor, come to me and told me I had to go clean their other warehouse. Got on me because these doors weren't taken care of, but you want to keep firing my supervisor, not give nobody to help me. Give me somebody to help me, but send them out somewhere else and make them my supervisor, but they're never there. My manager. They don't know what they're doing because all the computer system stuff is new. But you want to tell me I can't handle the job. Explain that one to me. But we're not talking about that. We're talking about toast stuff. So, anyhow, over to my left, we got a semi. Over to my other side here, we got one of the other trucks that broke down. From me, we got another truck that broke down. But they broke down! No! Said they went to get home, but waiting for my ride! I wanna go home! Go take a shower! Go get some food! I did eat something. A sandwich. Big fat sandwich. Everybody's like, oh, you didn't shave. You didn't shave. I like my beard. You stand out in the blizzard, on the side of the highway, doing wind shouts. We did another one today. That car was down there. It was more than 65 feet down. I bet that thing was 100 foot down an embankment. That embankment was like this. Not joking, like this. The car was way down here and on a flat area. Yeah. We ran that line down as far as we could. 2 chains and soft strap. We got it up there. Guy's like, I don't want you to rip my bumper up. Don't rip my bumper up. It's like, dude, I'm not gonna rip your bumper off. They need to keep hitting the brakes, not listening to us. People, you go in the ditch, listen to what we tell you. We know what we're doing. We get paid to do this. We are specialized handy-dandy tools. I swear. People need to understand that. Yeah, my hair. Yeah, you haven't seen my hair in a long time. It's getting long. Anyway, people gotta understand one thing. We are trained in this stuff. We know what we're doing. We wouldn't be in these trucks if we didn't know what we were doing. I'll tell you that. If we didn't know what we were doing, I wouldn't be on that scene winching you out. I was out on the highway yesterday afternoon, and a car went in the ditch pointing the opposite direction on the highway, and told him, yeah, you called your ride, right? Yeah, I called my ride. Completely, car was just filled with people. Yeah, I've got a back seat, right? 2 seat belts in the back, plus the seat next to me. There's 3 kids, a dog, and them. I have 2 seat belts in the back. 2. Not 3. I can only find 2 seatbelt buckles. Told them, I ain't got room. Not for all of you. I can't find enough seatbelts. Guess what we're gonna do? We're gonna winch you out. We already had him. I already had him winched out all the way out the road. I was waiting to load his car up on my bed. His ride to get there was supposed to be there 10 minutes ago. Well, it was 30 minutes ago by that time. I told him, seeing how your ride ain't here yet, or my ride's not coming. Seeing how we're not taking you, because we can't, we're changing your tire right here on the side of the highway with the road blocked off. We don't block the highway. We don't have the cops, fire department out there with us. That's the first time I've had the fire department block the road for me. That's the first time I've had to shut down a lane on a highway. Because they asked me if I wanted to. Because the other company around where I am, for anything, they shut down a lane. We don't need to shut down lanes, people. We did that winch out that was 100 foot down. We didn't shut down 1 lane. Why do you need to shut down a lane of a highway to do a winch out? I've done multiple winch outs so far. That's the first time I've shut down a lane because they already had it shut down. Oh, you want to use this lane we got shut down? Sure. Okay. I'll do it. Why not? Let's use the lane we got shut down. I'm not going to say no and not take advantage of the lane if you're already there and already got it shut down for me. But you're not there. I don't need to shut down a lane. I'll just turn my truck around and pull you out. If I need to pull you out that way with my truck back turned around. If I don't, then I won't. But I have not had to shut down a lane yet. Besides yesterday, when they told me to use the lane they had shut down. Even then, I was barely in that lane. Just my nose was in that lane. I don't need to use the whole lane of a highway. I can use the side of the highway to do a winch out. Why these companies, not gonna say a name, one company in particular where I'm at keeps shutting down 2 or 3 lanes of roads to load 1 car, or they'll send 5 trucks to grab 2 cars. Today we drove past one car, 2 trucks. We get 1 car, 1 truck. If it's a winch out, it's 100 foot out, we ain't got enough chain. Yeah, then we call another truck out. Or if they're stuck. And I ain't in this big truck. And I'm gonna have to call out another truck because I got the little truck. I've done it. I've called out another truck. Because they said they were on a 45-foot embankment. Sorry, this watch is irritating me. This stupid screen. Freaking glass is broke. And this cover. Anyway, said they were on a 45 embankment. And it was sliding. I said, okay. Is it moving at this point? No. I said, but it was moving, right? Yes, it moved. Okay. I will get there as quick as I can. 45-degree embankment, right? I says, it's way down there, right? Yeah, it's way down there, and it's steep. Really, really steep. Okay. I called out a second truck. I swear, it's like this. It was down here. In the sand. Almost in a lake. In a lake! That's the video I shared. That van was almost in the lake. It was almost in the lake. So, remember, we know what we're doing. We're professionals. Move over. Slow down. You'll see the video I post before this. So I gotta start making sure these videos get put in order. Because they're not getting put in order. Sometimes. Still working on that GoPro. Then I could do a little more of the winch outs for you. Trying to get that GoPro. Went out and tows, and just kind of hard when I'm staying on the side of the highway trying to load a vehicle and I'm trying to watch for vehicles to hit me. Yeah. Well, I'm going to end this video. I'll start another one. I got a little story for you. You're not going to like it too much. But I'm going to start a new video. Because this is just something separate. So, thanks for watching. Subscribe. And keep on towing. Thanks.